is that? Screaming bird or something? I don't know. Now we're going. All these lights. I love that blue. Oh my god, if that blue, I know it's on a Volkswagen Taycan or whatever it's called, but man, that would look good on a Beamer. Go time. Wee! It's rained so much here lately. It's actually disgusting. There's a F10. F10 535. You really don't see a lot. There's another Beamer, but like really anything done to it. Old grandpa driving it. Oh my god, traffic. Right now we're going into kind of like, I guess you can say like the Indianapolis portion. It's not like downtown by any means, but I didn't realize there's construction. Ugh. Freaking hate when there's construction here, man. It just sucks. Can't tell this is the normal route that I take though. I don't know. I don't think it is. Anyways, whatever. We're gonna take it, I guess, because I don't know where else to get home. Yeah. Oh, this is the correct way. Sweet Caroline. Bop, bop, bop. Oh, what is that in front of me? Looks like a 530. Yeah, it ain't anything special. It's a 530. What is that blowing up behind me? Oh, a Cadillac. Caddy has a lax. Oh, it's got the automatic shut off. Dog, that's horrible. Oh, I don't know if that's a cop in front of me though over there. No, it's not. Oh, it's just a cool Hell yeah. Gotta get over one more. I'm really hoping I can see at least something cool here, you know? Not a whole lot of cool cars right now. Guys, we gotta talk here. I moved out, and I'm obviously not in New York at all. I'm in Indiana now, and I'm very happy to be here. Couple problems with it though. My valve cover has broke. My aluminum Chinese valve cover has broke, so now I gotta get an OEM plastic one, which is gonna cost me a little bit of money I didn't want to spend. Kind of thought spending a little extra on the Chinese valve covers would be, you know, a little bit of a safer bet for long-term and higher boost usage, but it doesn't. It's not worth it. And yes, it does make the engine bay look a lot better, but it's not worth it. Hell yeah. But yeah, so I moved out and now I got full, like, everything on me, and I'm like, I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna lie. Like, being fully on your own with, I would say, not a lot of income coming in is very scary. So right now I got a new job, and obviously I'm wearing scrubs, so I'm like, I work in the dental field. I'm an ortho assistant, and I make around 25 an hour plus bonuses and everything. But I'm not gonna sit here and say like it's you know, paying the bills to a substantial amount. I mean, it's got to, but it's not doing everything like that, you know. So it kind of sucks. I mean, I just hope that, you know, God puts his faith in me, and, you know, we just have some good times, and you know, I'm just able to keep on affording this car, which was actually kind of surprising. So I mentioned I was moving out, and now I have to get my own insurance. And I looked at insurances, and it's actually cheaper for me to get a rebuilt title F82 M4 than to keep this car, because this is a clean title. So I'm a little bit hit or miss. I'm like, well, either A, I could sell this thing and get an F82 M4, but it's flood damage, which is a little scary, but I could. It's not the end of the world. And but the only problem is, in the Midwest, having rear-wheel drive is kind of sketchy, but, you know, if you learn how to drive, you can drive. But yeah, I mean, it's having an F82 versus having a 435 is kind of nice, but, you know, I've done so much to this car that I really don't want to get rid of it. But, you know, I don't know, man. I'm on the fence. Like, it's just strange to me that this would be more expensive. All right, people, can we go? Maybe. Oh my goodness. The problem is, I try to drive like a New Yorker here. It's gonna get you in a crash because people don't know how to drive at all. I mean, obviously New York is like, you just drive stupid, and that's it. I really gotta warm up my engine before I could even do anything crazy, man. Right by you. There are some nice cars, but like not anywhere near like New York's, where it's like every turn had a really nice car. Like, that's a nice car, a Kia Stinger. The thing's got, I think, about 420 horsepower-ish. I honestly don't know. I know it's quick. really too much traffic to even like try and swim. Oh, there's a yellow car behind me. I think it's a 370Z. I could be wrong. There's so much fucking traffic, man. I think there's a crash or something. Standstill traffic, baby. Nothing like it. Especially in the Midwest, there's nothing like it. I wouldn't know what you guys would do, in all honesty. Like, if you're in my position, you just moved out, you're trying to look for insurances and stuff, and ooh! You're trying to look for insurances, and you do have another car in mind, but you're trying to save money, but you're also trying to get the best bang for your buck. Alright, do this. I'm in a tunnel. Hell yeah. You know, I have the opportunity to get a 2015 M4, rebuild title, or keep this thing. The thing that I love about this guy, got a freaking muffler delete on that thing. The thing I love about this is that it's an N55, it's a Grand Coupe, and nobody really has the Grand Coupe. So it's kind of a rare spec, and I've done so much to it that it's really freaking cool. Like, just not a lot of people have that. Versus M4s are kind of more common, but like, I don't know. God, people just don't know how to fucking drive. They're gonna try to get over, man. Obviously, if I could give anybody some advice that's like kind of young, getting on their actual own insurance for a car insurance, shop around, man. It'd be 1,000 times better to get, what the fuck? It'd be 1,000 times better to shop around, find the cheapest price, and get the exact same coverage as you would anywhere else. So, you know, I'm just stressed. Like, I really want to be able to be like, I can most definitely just full buy, or even just finance, a really, really, really nice car. Yeah. That was sweet. Hey boy. Well guys, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. There's gonna be a lot more driving POVs. I really enjoy them. And now that I have the freedom and the move, and I won't get targeted by police because of a BMW, it's kind of nice. That's the beauty of not living in New York with a BMW now. So, if you guys, like I said, enjoyed this video, subscribe, and you know what? I will see you in the next one.